Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to show you how people are quietly raking up millions of views and making relaxing ASMR videos of crystal fruits and lava rocks without even picking up a camera. Yep, AI is taking over the oddly satisfying ASMR world too. If you've checked TikTok and YouTube Shorts lately, you know exactly what I'm talking about. These hypnotic cutting videos are blowing up. Just pick at Google Trends, it's going insane. And guess what? Hardly anyone's doing it well on YouTube yet. So if you're seeing this, you're early. Let me prove it real quick. Check out this TikTok account, barely 15 posts, already pulling in 197,000 followers and 6.4 million likes. And one single clip, over 29 million views. And the comments, people can't get enough. So today I'm breaking down exactly how you can make these videos with free AI tools, no fancy camera, no editing headaches. You can make your first video in under 10 minutes, and I will show you the secret tips and tricks that you can use to set this on autopilot and start earning money as quickly as possible. So stick around to the end so you don't miss the details. And hey, if you like being ahead of trends, hit that subscribe button right now. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Steal the blueprint. First, find a viral ASMR clip you love. Crystal fruits, lava rocks, anything oddly satisfying. Copy the video link and download it using any free downloader. I'll just go ahead to use this downloader, and here we go. Next, open up ChatGPT. Drag that downloaded video right into the chat box and type this. This is a popular TikTok ASMR video made with VEO3. Please help me analyze the structure and factor that made it popular. ChatGPT will break down the structure, the pacing, the sound, the visuals, and all the stuffs that make people glued to these clips. So you click generate, just wait a minute, and here's the result. As you can see below here, it's asking if you want a template, so I'd recommend you skip the generic stuff, but if you like, you can go ahead and just tell it yes to do that. But for me, I'm just going to go ahead to tell it that I want you to generate prompt for this kind of video. So give me 5 video ideas along with the prompts. The videos of this kind should consider the following. 1. Cotton fruits and vegetables made of various crystals at close range or cotton rock, water bubbles, or volcanic rocks of various shapes. 2. Note that in an ASMR video, the focus is on the synchronization of movements and sound effects. And here we go. These are the sweet details that we are after. I feel the prompt uncomprehensive enough though. So go ahead to ask ChatGPT for the 5 viral ASMR video ideas above. Give me detailed VEO3 text to video prompt for each that can be used for VEO3 directly. Each video in 8 to 10 seconds long. Remember that VEO3 supports audio sync, so the audio should be included in the prompt, and just like a real ASMR video blogger. And you click generate. So just wait a few seconds for our result, and I would tell you that around 6 to 8 seconds each is a sweet spot for loops and shorts. And here's our result. Next, we head to step 2, bringing it to life. So you've got your ideas, which is perfect. There are 2 ways to get this done. So go ahead to copy one of the prompts of your choice and head over to Gemini, because Gemini gives you 3 free VEO3 credits every day. So paste the prompt in. Ensure that you select the option of video beneath here, generate, and here we go. So ensure to check out the preview, see how the sound lines up with the cotton. And basically it's a chef's kiss, baby. Rinse and repeat. Generate a few clips, line them up in CapCut or your favorite free editor, and boom, you've got your own oddly satisfying masterpiece ready to upload. And of course, you can also create videos inside Google Flow. So I know a lot would say Google Flow is a premium platform. Yes, it is a premium platform, but it gives you a 1 month free trial, which gives you 1,000 credits, and it is more than enough for you to get started. And if you follow the guideline, the step-by-step guideline that I will be given at the end of the video, trust me, you will be able to monetize your video, your channel in no time. Thereby, the subscription will pay for itself. So once you sign up for the free trial, you go ahead to put in your prompt. Now, before you generate, just make sure to check your model setting. Choose VEO3, it's very important. And you've got options. You can pick between VEO3 fast or VEO3 quality, depending on your needs. But keep in mind, VEO3 fast costs only 20 credits per video, and VEO3 quality uses 100 credits per video, but the results are top notch. For me, I will prefer to use VEO3 fast with audio model. And I know the creative minds out there will ask, what if you just want endless videos of the same vibe? It's easy, trust me. In the same ChatGPT chat, just say, imitate the first one. Select any of the prompts that you want imitated. So for me, I'm going to go ahead to select crystal fruit cotton. Give me another 5 different fruits such as strawberry, apple, grapes, etc. Detailed VEO3 prompt. Note that the fruit skin should keep the original characteristics of the real fruit, such as color, shape, etc. And click generate. Here you go. You've got 5 different fruit prompts that you can use and loop in with your original generation. Or you could switch it up, imitate the third one. I'm selecting water bubble slice with lava core. Give me 5 different shapes of water bubbles with a focus on each water bubble having different shimmering liquid in it that will flow out after cutting and sound synchronization. And the possibilities, it's infinite. You can drop this as TikTok loops, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and watch your followers stack up. Now, here is the part you have all been waiting for. Step 4, growing your audience on autopilot. When you post, make your title and captions crave-worthy. For example, oddly satisfying crystal fruit cotton, relax and chill. Or you could go with lava rock ASMR cotton, most satisfying video ever. Use trending hashtags like hashtag ASMR, hashtag oddly satisfying, hashtag AI short, hashtag relaxing. Respond to comments and tease the next one. And remind people there's more coming. And hey, if you want all my best prompts and scripts, I drop them for free down below. Grab them, remix them, and go viral. Alright, if you found this tutorial helpful, tap like, hit subscribe, and drop me a comment with the weirdest thing you turn into an ASMR cotton video. I read every comment, and who knows, your idea might be my next upload. Here's a mini crystal cotton ASMR to chill you out before you go. See you in the next one. Bye.